This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I'll show how you can check or see the list of connected devices on this smartwatch. So in the beginning, you will need to wake your watch up and, launch settings through either the control panel or through the app view. So press the crown button once and launch the settings app. Now from here, enter the connectivity category, go into Bluetooth, and here you'll see the list of connected devices that are well connected or assigned to your Google account. So in my case, that's my Pixel 8, some speaker, earbuds, and a bunch of other devices assigned to this account. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.